everyone. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. You all know that your exam is starting from Monday, 14th September. Science portion for the exam is chapters 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have already completed our revision. I hope all of you are well prepared for the exam. All the best for the exam. So today we are going to complete the worksheet given in the textbook. All of you please open the back side of the textbook, page number 26. Page number 26. Worksheet 5. Okay. Here gives some safety rules. You tell that whether it is true or false. So first question. Do not play rough games. Do not play rough games. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Then, next question. Jump off a seesaw without warning your partners. നിങ്ങൾ സീസോ ഒക്കെ കളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നിന്ന് പെട്ടെന്ന് ചാടി ഇറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് വേണം? പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സിനോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വേണം ഇറങ്ങാൻ. ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ട്രൂ? Jump off a seesaw without warning your partners. So it is a false statement. Then next one. Do not carry pointed objects while running. Do not carry pointed objects while running. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a true statement. Then next is do not play thorny hedges. Do not play thorny hedges. അതായത് മുള്ളൊക്കെയുള്ള ചെടികളുണ്ടല്ലോ, കുറ്റിച്ചെടികൾ, അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പോയി കളിക്കരുത്. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a true statement. Then next one. When we follow safety rules, accidents takes place. When we follow safety rules, accidents takes place. It is a false statement. Then next one. Safety measures at school are just as important as those at home. Safety measures at school are just as important as those at home. It is a true statement. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. First question. Most of the accidents are caused due to dash. Most of the accidents are caused due to dash. Accidents എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്? Yes, carelessness. Then next question. Never touch any electrical appliance with dash hands. never touch any electrical appliance with dash hands. എങ്ങനെയാണ്? Yes, wet hands. നനഞ്ഞ കൈകൊണ്ട് തുടരുന്നു. Then, next question. All the medicines should be stored out of reach of the dash. All the medicines should be stored out of reach of the dash. Yes, children. Then, next. Always dash on the footpath. Always dash on the footpath. Yes, walk on the footpath. Then, next one. Immediate care should be given to the victim of an dash. Immediate care should be given to the victim of an. ആർക്കാണ് പെട്ടെന്ന് കെയർ കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ? Yes, victim of an accident. Then, last one. If a person faints, do not dash around him. If a person faints, ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ബോധക്കേട് വന്നാൽ do not dash around him. എന്ത് ചെയ്യരുത്? അവരുടെ ചുറ്റും കൂടി നിൽക്കൽ. Yes, do not crowd around him. Okay. The next is unscramble the first aid items which you should keep in your first aid box. First aid boxിലുള്ള കുറേ ഐറ്റംസിൻ്റെ പേരാണ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെങ്കിൽ അത് സ്പെല്ലിങ് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറ്റി ഇൻകറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അത് സ്പെല്ലിങ് കറക്റ്റ് ആക്കി എഴുതണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ലുക്ക് ഹിയർ. ADBNAEG. Which is the correct word? A is bandage. 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 Then, next one. TOCNOT. OLWO. So the correct word is cotton wool. COTTONWOOL. Cotton wool. Cotton wool. Then next one. CORSSIS. The correct word is scissors. 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 Then the last one. WEZTESRE. Yes, tweezers. 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 Okay. Then the next question. Give one word for each sentence. First question. Someone who has been injured. Someone who has been injured. Yes, injured person. injured person or victim. Injured person or victim. Then next one, the immediate physical and medical attention given to an injured person. The immediate physical and medical attention given to an injured person is first aid. Then next question, a case or mishappening due to personal careless and in hurry. A case or mishappening due to personal carelessness and in hurry is accident. Then next one, rules to prevent accidents at home, school and on the public places. Rules to prevent accidents at home, school and on the public places is safety rules. Safety rules. Then last one, an international organization that takes care of people suffering from hunger, illness, war, etc. An international organization that take care of people suffering from hunger, illness, war, etc. Yes, Red Cross. Okay, thank you.